Hi, friends. I'm Mongli, the curious mongoose, and I live here in this amazing jungle. Today, I want to introduce you to some of my fantastic friends who live here too. First up is Leo the lion. He's the king of the jungle and loves to take long naps under the big, shady trees.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, the mighty lion. I may look fierce, but I'm a friendly feline, always ready to protect my jungle family.
And look over there. It's Barry the bear, lumbering through the forest with his big, furry paws.
Hey, little friends. I'm Barry the bear. I love fishing in the river and finding honey in the beehives. Yum!
Hanging around in the treetops is our playful friend, Momo the monkey.
Hi, kiddos. I'm Momo, the mischievous monkey. I swing from vines, eat bananas, and of course, love to play pranks on my pals.
Shh! Can you hear that? It's Tara the tiger, stealthily moving through the tall grass.
Hello, little ones. I'm Tara, the tiger. I'm a great hunter, but I'm also a good friend. Just don't forget to give me some space when I'm napping.
Up in the trees, we have Polly the parrot, a bird with the most colorful feathers.
Hi everyone, I'm Polly the parrot. I love to mimic sounds and my feathers are as vibrant as a rainbow. Let's have a squawktastic time together.